Our oceans are in danger. Every year, millions of tons of plastics and oil spills infiltrate our waters, destroying marine habitats, threatening biodiversity, and disrupting livelihoods that depend on clean oceans. But what if there was a way to fight back? Introducing the Altairs Hydrosweep, a breakthrough innovation aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, offering a revolutionary approach to ocean cleanup for a cleaner, healthier planet.
Hydrosweep is an innovative, eco-friendly device designed to combat marine pollution. For oil spill collection, Hydrosweep stays afloat using recycled plastic bottles wrapped in coconut husk, a highly absorbent material that helps soak up oil. It also features an advanced oil skimmer that collects excess oil from the water, safely storing it for proper disposal or potential reuse. Unintegrated oil sensors continuously monitor water quality, detecting spills in real time. To ensure smooth operation, Hydrosweep is equipped with ultrasonic sensor that detects and avoids obstacles, preventing collision with marine life and debris. A GPS system enables real-time tracking and precise navigation, ensuring efficient coverage of polluted areas. With two powerful propellers, it can maneuver through polluted waters efficiently, enhancing its cleanup performance. Hydrosweep harnesses energy from solar panels, making it a sustainable and self-sufficient device. However, it can also be charged through an external power source, providing flexibility for continuous operation. A built-in battery stores excess energy, ensuring functionality even in low light conditions. The device can operate autonomously or be manually controlled, allowing users to adjust its function based on specific cleaning needs. The entire system is managed by a Raspberry Pi microcontroller, which automates operations and enables real-time data analysis, optimizing efficiency and performance. The Hydrosweep glides across the ocean, using coconut husk fibers and an oil skimmer to absorb spills and remove waste. As it moves, it collects plastic and debris, preventing further pollution. With its eco-friendly design, the Hydrosweep helps restore ocean health efficiently and sustainably. The Hydrosweep uses ultrasonic sensors to detect obstacles and prevent collision while removing oil spills and plastic waste. Hydrosweep operates autonomously but also allows manual control through the voice-activated app. Users can issue voice commands to adjust its course, avoid obstacles, and enhance cleanup efficiency. And lastly, the Hydrosweep uses a surveillance camera to detect waste and navigate around obstacles in the oceans in a more efficient and accurate way.
By harnessing the power of AI, sustainable materials, and innovative engineering, the Hydrosweep is revolutionizing ocean cleanup. It works tirelessly day and night, collecting waste, absorbing spills, and restoring balance to marine ecosystems. Every drop of oil recovered, every plastic bottle collected, brings us closer to a cleaner, healthier planet.